Welcome, BE4000 users. Today we are going to be taking a look at key expansion modules, or KEMs, or sometimes referred to as sidecars. Key expansion modules are an option for 8800 series phones, starting with the 8851 through the 8865, that can actually attach to your desk phone and give you a larger or longer array of speed dials, both extensions, BLFs, and regular speed dials. Now, we need to enable them as an administrator. So I'm actually in the customer administrator portal. That's myphone.cisco.com. If you're a partner, it would be be4000.cisco.com. The process is the same for both. So what we're going to want to do is obviously we're going to we've already created a phone, and we can come into this actions column, manage site. We can scroll down to phones. We find the phone that we're looking for. So this is my 8851 right here that I have registered. Let's click this action, modify phone. So in these options, we see that there's an add-on module. So with an 8851, we can support up to 2 key expansion modules. So that's going to be up to 72 buttons. On each key expansion module, there are 18 buttons, and then 2 pages. There's a button for each page on the bottom of the KEM. If you are on an 8861 or 65, you will have the ability to support up to 3 KEMs. So that's an option there. So let's go ahead and turn on this one KEM that I have. Let's scroll over next one more time. We can actually see how to configure those buttons, right? So here we can either add an extension, speed dial, or BLF. An extension would be for like a shared line, regular speed dial, or a BLF. Let's add a couple BLFs to this one. So maybe I will add the main line. Maybe I'll add another one. Whoops. To Kurt. Maybe I'll add one more to Mike. So we do need to fill up that initial screen that's on the phone itself, and then we can start filling out our key expansion module. Um, let's add one more, our demo extension. Then we just hit next, and we can hit save. So in a few moments, that'll be up. We can check our phone and we'll see that all those changes have been applied. You can also do this from the end user self-care portal, which I will open up really quickly. There are a few different options for the end user self-care portal. You can't add extensions, but you can add your speed dials and your BLF. So let's go ahead and sign in. I believe this one is go to cisco.com. Because this is my customer administrator, so I'm going to need to put in my two-factor authenticator PIN. So 149, and I will select end user self-care. So if we come down to the My Phones tab, we can see that I have an 8851. Have a nice picture of it. We can see that all of the speed dials that I just configured are there. We can also have our key expansion module right here. We do have those 2 different pages, as I mentioned earlier. You can modify this, you can hit save. Just wanted to show that the end user can do this as well. Well, that's key expansion modules explained. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed this video.